let you.
Oh, there we
I'll
go.
let. Oh, there you go, honey.
It's getting kind of heavy with the end drooping over.
Ah. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Just burn your crotch. There we have it on tape.
Oh, this one's about to go out, but you can hold it.
You
Sam.
have to be very careful.
Ooh, Sam.
We'll light a new one. And, Hey, let's light that one for little Caltronies.
Okay, here.
I can't really watch when I'm doing this, so someone keep an eye
Yeah,
on.
watch
Come
that.
up here now.
Where's that one
We'll
go?
light it
I'll
for
never know when the button
Cal.
Jesus.
Yeah. Where's that one
I
go?
know, honey.
Let me do it.
No. Just let me get it started, then you can show the
Cool.
Your
need to
shoe.
hold it
I know,
on
we're going
tight
to
to
put
get-
that on.
That was my dad's camera.
You look like your dad's camera.
Yeah.
Oh,
my
be
God.
careful.
Oh.
There you go.
Whoa.
Don't point it towards that make. Hold
Oh,
it
no,
right
both
over the
the
fire
shoes
so
are
the
off.
sparks go in.
Yeah. Hold on here.
Okay, you little stinks. Let's go look at the... Look what Calvin.
Oh, here.
Not too close to your face, honey. I don't want you to get...
Cal, turn around.
Turn around, Cal.
Can I hold it now?
No.
You little pinball.
Can you turn around and come a little bit closer, sweetheart?
I'm gonna have to tickle you.
There you go.
I'm gonna have
Yay.
Hold it out a little bit.
to... Gonna have to tickle you again. I'm gonna do it. You gotta get this on film, cameras.
We'll put this one
Oh,
in
gotta
the
get a
box,
breath.
probably.
Take a breath. I'm gonna get you.
You put the old ones in the box, don't you, Meg?
I can't get a picture. There's trouble with the light situation over here.
Well, it stinks.
You can't. You're not to be trusted alone. Okay, honey. Oh, wait till Mommy gets one.
Oh, keep it open.
What happened?
A mosquito bit me.
Oh.
In your crotch?
Yeah. Okay, hold it out a little bit,
Sammy.
honey. I don't want it to burn you.
You're a weirdo.
Hey, Luz, can you look over towards Mom?
No, hot. No, hot.
Oh, God, there. Yeah.
You watching your sparkler, Luz?
Like it's their last.
Hurrah. Well, I think they find you. It takes
I
a
don't
couple
want
minutes.
this sparkle anymore.
All right, we gotta watch it. Oh. Sam, stop. Stop, Sam. Grab him because Lucy doesn't. He doesn't know that
Oh.
Lucy's got that.
Thank you.
Yeah, hot. Come over here. Come over here.
Sam is
Now
kind of
he's
at
got
the
a sock
appreciation
on.
age.
Yeah.
Both shoes have
For
come
everything,
off,
it's great.
and now a sock.
Sam, don't let him grab one of those hot ones.
Can I pretend I have a sword in those? Can I pretend I have a
He's going for Sam. He's lunging his body. It's so close to the fire.
What's your sock? Cal, could
Sam,
you
I'll
do
get a
me
good
favor, honey,
picture of
and
you
find
guys.
an orange sock.
What is one?
I'm sacrificing my body for this. lovely
Would
shot.
anybody else want to wear bug crap on them? I'll go in and get some.
I don't like that bug
Ow.
stuff.
I don't
Oh,
either,
honey,
but I
thank you.
like even
Oh,
less
what
bugs.
a good boy. Okay.
Look, it's hip.
Anybody who gets it all back from the fire, I can't take a shot of. The only reason I can get Lucy now is... Oh, Sam's too close. Lucy, that's too close to your face. Push it back. It does look like a spider, honey, but it's you can't have that light so close to your face.
Oh, yeah, Cal, honey, take it to your mom.